Nucleic acid purification system user manual. Double-click the software to log in. Enter the username and password to enter the function selection interface. This is the function interface. The first is elution function. The second is pipetting function. The third is purification function. And the last one is system setting. Select the system setting. First is motion options. Select the reference positions. Here, there are tip holder, drain container, liquid plates, purification plates. Set the distance we need to move, and then move up and down the z-axis. When calibrate is completed, select Save. In the right side, we can select to move 6 positions, including the position of tip holder, drain container, liquid, plates, and purification plates. Select Move button to move positions. Select the Home button, the device back to the origin. Select button Pipette Return to Origin to return origin if you need to pause during running process. In the Calibrate Valves interface, choose the reagent type we need to calibrate. For example, we choose A, and then set in the table the volume requires calibration, such as 100 milliseconds. Click the Inject button. The device will inject the liquid for 100 milliseconds. And then we catch the liquid with a container to measure out the actual volume. Type in this data and click the Save button. Do several calibrations in this way, and save all data. This is the Save button. This is the Delete button. And this is the Cancel button. In the left side, after calibration finishes, we can choose the reagent type and fill in the volume. For example 100 UL, and click the Inject button. We can then verify the accuracy of this data we calibrated. Below is the Drain button. In the Edit Script File interface, we can edit the process file according to the steps we want to run. The first procedure is pipetting. This is the total volume of liquid in each well on the liquid plates. Tip volume is the specification of the gun tip. Single pipetting volume is volume of a single pipetting. And this is the pipetting times. The second procedure is drain to set the time and pressure for drain. For pressure, we can choose high, medium and low, and set the drain time and wait time. For drain time, we can set up to 5 times. The following are the purification of different reagents, such as reagent A. Click Injection Volume to input the volume of liquid. The last one is the elution step. Fill in the injection volume and prime volume, and select the drain setting in the right side. After editing, select Save As or Save, or select the original file on the Select file to edit and save again. The fourth one is Injection Head Test. In this interface, we can test all injection valves. For reagent ABC, each of them are equipped with 8 valves. For reagent DH, each of them are controlled by 1 valve for their 8 injection heads. Click once to inject and click again is stop. The fifth is to edit the reagent name. The device is initially set with 8 reagents by EBCDEFGH. Here we can modify them and then click Save. The last one is User Management Settings. Here we can add and delete accounts. Here is the username, the password, and the type of user. Administrator or operator. Administrator can control system settings on the device. The operator can only use the device's functions. The first function is elution. Click and enter to the elution interface. Select the edited elution process file in the text box. Then you can click Start. The left side shows the number of elution columns. The right side is log showing the steps. Next button is Pause. The third one is Remove, Start button. The last one back to the main interface. Click to enter the pipetting interface. The first target volume shows the total liquid volume of a single hole. The second tip volume shows the specification of tip. The third single pipetting volume shows the liquid volume of a single pipette. The fourth pipetting times is the number of pipetting times. The volume calculated by the total number of pipetting times, multiplied by the liquid volume of a single pipetting. cannot exceed the total liquid volume. Then here you can choose to drain or not to drain. When selecting drain, there are 5 draining to choose and set. You can choose high, medium and low pressure draining rate. Set the drain time and wait time here. 5 draining in total. Here is the start, pause and remove button. Click here to return to the main interface. Click to enter the purification function. Select the purification script file here, and then click Start. The left part shows the number of columns being purified. The right part shows the current running steps. Then is the pause and remove button. The last one returns to the main interface.